Can I? Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Okay, I wrote a comic book.
Whoa, okay.
Called The First Ghost to Fly, but it's rated R. So if you're young,
the first
Ghost to Fly. But if you're young,
the first ghost to fly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa.
Okay, this is the first ghost to fly.
Okay.
He's flying up there, and then his hands are, and then the mom's going, "Why'd you let me do that?" And then the little girl's going, "Hey mom, how's he doing that little?" You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so then this ghost hears them yelling, and look, he's nervous, and he goes, "Oh fuck, they can see me."
Wait, who's that?
That's the same ghost. Look, they're wearing the same hat.
Oh, same hat.
Looks a little different.
Oh, I see.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Mom's getting fed up. Look at her. Spit flying. How are you flying? She wants answers. He's petrified. What do I say? Fuck.
What is this? What are you doing?
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So then the mom, because she wants to know how to fly, because she can only float just this much off the ground.
Oh, I see her. Yeah, she's a little bit off the ground.
Just 4 inches.
He's way up there.
Yes, and she knows that. So she wants to know. So she goes, "Answer me!"
Oh.
And then he...
Okay.
Is it good?
Well, what's the ending? It got cut off.
Here's the last frame.
Okay.
He gets really nervous, even though he's a nice ghost, but he doesn't know what to do because he hates pressure. And so he just goes, "Fuck you!" Right in front of the little girl.